Hey, what's up? It's unwantedchip here. So basically, just wanted to get on here and just talk real quick about what I want to do with this channel in like 2022, because it's the new year. It's been like a week, and I've been thinking like, I want to do something with this channel. I want to make it be important. You know what I mean? So yeah, I just want to build a community around this channel, and have it so all the people that subscribe or just are involved can build each other up and support each other in their music, and maybe not even just their music, just their art in general. You could have graphic designers, like rappers, producers, all of that just in one space, so you can all collaborate and like push each other to the next level and help each other achieve our goals. So yeah, I think, and it could be community run, like you want to add bots, and obviously there'll be some sort of moderation and all that, but mainly that's what I want. Like, I just want to build a community where everyone can just help each other and build each other up. So if you're down for that, drop a like, leave a comment, and yeah, and I'll actually start the Discord, and boom, we'll just start immediately. Even if it's 1 or 2 people at the start, that's better, because then we can focus on each other, and what do you need to go to what you think will be your next level, and and then you can do the same for us and me, and think about it. Yeah, I think it's a good idea. And it's like stocks, crypto, whatever, NFTs. If you get in early, you always benefit the most. You gotta get in before anyone else believes in it, and so believe in me. You don't have to believe in me, you just have to believe in yourself. So what do you think?